Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the Redmi Note 9 so nothing interrupts the speed fixes. First, charge to 50% and enable developer options and settings. This unlocks animation controls. Once done, backup photos and contacts to Google or local storage so you can reset if needed. Next, uninstall unused apps and clear cache to free at least 2-3 GB. This reduces background I/O. Make sure automatic updates won't run while you work to avoid stutters during the process. Now you'll perform the deeper changes that make a real difference. Go into developer options and set window, transition, and animator scale to 0. 5x to speed UI responsiveness. This changes perceived lag. Next, go to apps, restrict background activity and auto start for memory-hungry apps. This prevents RAM churn. If you prefer, install a lightweight launcher and convert big apps to light versions where possible. If rooted, clear Dalvik or ART cache to remove stale bytecode. To finish, reboot the phone and observe performance over the next 24 to 48 hours while using a CPU/RAM profiler or system UI tuner to watch spikes. Once satisfied, keep background limits that work and reinstall only necessary apps. If you see excessive battery drain or overheating, revert the animation scales to 1x and disable aggressive app restrictions. Those can force frequent wake-ups. If problems persist, perform a factory reset and restore backups selectively to avoid reintroducing the apps or settings that cause the slowdown.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.